Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So lately Whitestone Dome has let it be known that we do more than just screen protectors and tempered glass and things like that. They have their scope series, and their scope series here is for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I will be testing this out when my phone actually gets here, but for now, dummy unit on hand, folks. I'm one of the people that has to wait. So this is the Whitestone Dome scope case. It's running you about 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it down below. Probably also pick it up from their website directly, but let's check it out. It looks to be a clear TPU case. This is the packaging that it comes in, and I'm sure they have this for the other models of the S22. I would think they would, but this is pretty simple packaging it comes in. And here's the case. It's got some protective film on here. I'm gonna actually go ahead and peel this off. Some people have some concerns and say, why don't you peel off the plastic on the case when you show it? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that this time. So looking around the case real quick, you got your cutout here for the microphone, your S Pen, your ports and everything down here. It's going to be soft and movable there on the top and bottom and some of these areas over here. So you can get the case in, the phone in and out. Then you got that hard TPU plastic that we all know and love. So we're going to go ahead and it has like these little sharp edges as in the design. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but it has like these little corners on the side where it makes it just probably a little bit wider, but it actually feels pretty good because it makes it feel like I'm really gripping something. So first one's going to come off as the interior. Hopefully I can get this off. There we go. I didn't get trolled. We'll put the phone on. If you have a black S22 Ultra, this will be good. Any of the colors because it's clear, but the black is probably going to be the one that people probably gravitate to. Shout out to Grant S. I'm not really a fan of the burgundy color. The green, the white, and the black is definitely the one that I'm into. If I can get this off. There we go. So if you have this, you can see how I got that off now. I just kept using the included piece of tape. So camera is deeply recessed at this point, down inside of there. Deeply recessed. This case looks good, actually. If I had the black version of this phone, I would definitely use this. And if you have the cutouts, so I'm going to show you something else here. This is something else that they included. They have these right here. The protector for the rear. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like. This is what these protectors look like, and this is the Whitestone Dome glass protector for the back. Now, to me, these are only going to look right if you have the black device, because it goes around like this. Now, you'll see a lot of different protectors out there for the back glass, but I plan on using cases that are, have individual cutouts, and so that's why this probably, obviously, is not going to work. But they have these right here where you can pop it right over to protect it, that's another thing that they offer. But this case right here will play nice with any of their products that they offer. Their screen protectors, whatever. And you can see the buttons on this side here. And that's pretty much it. You got the flat sides. And it has like a little bumps on the corners that run along the entire side of the device to give some kind of drop protection. Now, this is actually a pretty nice case. I looked at the ratings online. It's only got 2 people that rated this case right here. But I think having it firsthand, it's actually pretty nice, man. I don't see anything wrong with this case. It's just a regular TPU case with the flat matte sides. And the plus to that is that these versions that are not the custom orders, they have the glossy sides. And I don't like the glossy sides. And so this case right here will be really nice and beneficial to someone who has the black version or any of the versions if you want to get that matte feel along the sides. So this is the Whitestone Dome scope case. And it's 15 bucks right now. Really nice from what I can tell. So I think it's pretty nice. I would purchase it. I appreciate them sending it over. And it's your man Jay, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.